slow cooker for $19.99. That's nice. What's this?
Home improvement
with love. Hey guys, we stopped by Lowe's just to pick up some paint and found some clearance deals and special buys that we want to share with you. You may be surprised, so let's check it out together. The first thing we noticed were linens in front of the storage and shelving section. Microfiber sheet sets were on clearance. These plush angel wraps were a special buy at $14.99. They had a really nice feel to them. The pillows and bath towels were special buys as well. I was not expecting this from our home improvement store. Their Allen and Roth micropoly bath rug was on clearance too. Some of the Style Selections doormat for fall had been marked down. $7 is not bad for an outdoor mat. You could tell which items were on clearance by their bright yellow tag. This one is a small indoor rug for $17.98. All type of sale items are in the aisles.
These are special values. It's that, a blender, look, a slow cooker for $19.99. That's nice. What's this?
These tags show the special buys and the replacement plan for these products. If you haven't been into Lowe's, you may want to check out some of these holiday deals. I like organizers like these, but I need to be able to put them in the dishwasher. They even have so many things for your pets that I didn't know. Here's an LED collar for your dog, and even a disco LED ball to play at night. I think these items were in the wrong place because they were $14.98 and $19.98, and this was the gift zone for under $10. They probably needed to go into this gift zone. They even had cute little Go Dog chew toys for $9.99. Leave a comment below. Are you surprised at the holiday deals Lowe's has? They want to know, has your dog been naughty or nice? I guess the chew toy is inside the globe. Another special buy are these jersey gloves for the little ones. There's PJ Masks, Paw Patrol, and Peppa Pig. Hubby and I wanted to get these for the kids, but they may have outgrown these characters. We even found a chew toy wrench for our furry friends.
Like they have a whole as seen on TV.
This is the first time we'd seen an entire as seen on TV display in the store. These Shepherd Line socks were a special buy at $7.99. Oh, I like these ones with the little sheep on them. Wait a minute, I think that's a little ram. This is an as seen on TV product that caught my eye. It's remote controlled LED lights. They even have the batteries included, and it's peel and stick, so you know I like that. For $20 and a remote control, that's not too bad to add some light to your home. For $20, you can also get a color-changing Bluetooth speaker. This $20 table light is on clearance. Let's see what deals we can find in their seasonal section. I don't know if this is a deal, but it definitely caught my eye. These are LED, battery operated, indoor rose copper rope light collection. This is nice soft lighting for the holidays.
Turns on and off your holiday lights.
Here's a clearance deal. This is a wireless remote control for your outdoor lights. And this is a wireless remote control for your tree lights. I think these clearance prices are now more competitive to what you can find online. I like that they put all the command hooks and clips to hang your holiday decorations all in front of the store.
No.
Here's another special buy I haven't seen before. Heavy duty, waterproof, noise blocking earbuds. These are something hubby would wear while cutting the grass.
Go to the toilet and then you can work out.
Workout equipment? Guys, we have never seen a treadmill before in Lowe's. They even have a special buy muscle massager, but the clearance price was higher than the display price.
And last year you couldn't find any dumbbells.
I know.
And a storage rack. It's a box 3 of 3.
I know. But I don't see box 2.
Yeah. Box 2 might be under here.
Yeah, this is box 2.
Here's
Box
box
2.
1. I see 1. So make sure you get all your boxes.
We had to make sure we were in the right store. They were really trying to have a little exercise equipment section. Hubby was really acting like he was going to get those dumbbells, but we didn't even see the price for them. And we noticed some of the display tags weren't matching up. We also found some special value smart home holiday deals, like a Google Nest, Wi-Fi dimmable lights, and a touchscreen smart thermostat. There was also some Ring Smart Home Security deals. This wired video doorbell was on sale for $41.99.
The Craftsman.
There were some deals on tools as well. If you're thinking about getting a power drill, this is probably a good time to get one. It was nice to see a variety of special values and special deals in the tool section. I think these are the custom vanities that people didn't pick up and now they're on clearance. This is nice with a marble top and quiet closing drawers. I just like checking it all out. Here's another marble top vanity with the drawer cut out for the sink.
What is going on with the Oops paint?
We finally made it to the paint section and I had to check the clearance rack. Sometimes you can find a good deal on Oops paint. That's the paint that's been returned or the can is damaged and they just want to get rid of it. Here's an example of one. This is a high quality exterior paint and primer for only $10. If you have an outdoor project that needed gray paint, this would be a great deal. Hubby found deals on bulk pricing for construction adhesive.
We usually use this right here. But then they have an ultimate one. But check this out. They actually have a clear one right here.
This new one was not on sale. We spent way too long in Lowe's, but I went back and got a set of those microfiber sheets. They actually rang up even lower than the clearance price. We wanted to share these deals with you, and we'll see you in the next video.
DIY Power Couple YouTube channel is your source to help you unleash your inner DIY power.